take this small fluffy brush and use this shade. Now I'll be taking this flat brush. I'll do the other eye and I'll be right back. We are done with both eyes and it looks so beautiful, so mesmerizing. Now we'll be doing our lower eyelid makeup. For that, again, I'm taking the precise flat brush and taking a very light brown color and putting it half the way. And then I'm taking the darkest color and this is how it looks. Next up, I'm taking this brown eyeliner from Benefit. Create a small wing. Just that much. And now our look is complete. Now if you want, put some mascara or put some fake eyelashes, give that dramatic look, and then you're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Until next time, bye!